Hey everybody, welcome back. So today, I'm taking you along as I work on the wiring in the Camaro. Hope you guys enjoy. So if anybody wonders why it takes me a while to upload a video lately, you can blame it on this little guy here. Because you can see how it is when I'm trying to do wiring and he is all over me. So I'm going to finish up this wiring here. This is going to be my input-output bus. So I got inputs on top, outputs on bottom. This is the flex fuel with the 5-volt pull-up, so this is my 5-volt reference. And then this down here, this is my ignition. So when I hit the ignition key on here, this is like turn the key on. That's going to energize the ECU. That's going to energize my fuel level. It's going to energize the alternator. So it's going to go through and energize all that stuff. So hopefully this gives you a little idea on what I'm doing for the wiring in here. Still got a lot more to clean up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little clip and time lapse of what I'm doing with the wiring. Take care.